Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by launching Windows Security and confirming you have administrator rights. This lets you change protection settings immediately. Once done, update Windows and virus definitions so Defender uses current signatures, then run a quick scan to find obvious threats. Make sure real-time protection and cloud-delivered protection are turned on, because they stop threats in real time and use Microsoft's cloud to analyze suspicious files. These first steps get Defender active and ready. Don't proceed until updates and a quick scan complete. Next, dive into virus and threat protection and select Manage Settings to customize how Defender behaves. Enable automatic sample submission so suspicious files get analyzed in the cloud, and turn on tamper protection to prevent changes by malware or other apps. If certain folders cause false positives, add exclusions thoughtfully to avoid blind spots. For deeper coverage, schedule full scans with Task Scheduler or run an offline scan when you suspect rootkits. These steps balance continuous protection with occasional intensive checks to catch stealthy threats. Finish by running a full scan and reviewing protection history to confirm no threats were missed. Also verify Windows Firewall is active for network protection. Update definitions regularly and use Defender offline for stubborn infections that persist outside normal Windows operation. If things go wrong and Defender is disabled, check whether a third-party antivirus took over, inspect group policy settings, or reset the Windows Security app in settings. Booting into safe mode can help re-enable services. That single troubleshooting tip usually restores Defender quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.